let's do a quick Amazon unboxing. As always, my trusty CRKT M2104G. Let's go ahead and get into this guy. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's some gear. So it looks like we have a pair of CQR pants. Those are those tactical pants that you usually see advertised on Facebook. I've got one pair. This is my second pair of these, and they're actually decent pants. We also have oh, something fell out. We have Soffe military OD green, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. I think supplying the U.S. military exchanges since 1946. We're going to see how moisture-wicking these are. They should be pretty good. They're the 50-50 blend, made in the USA. So we'll check these out. And then also got some boot blousers, so that instead of tucking your pants into your boots, you put these at the bottom of your boots and then kind of tuck your pants up into these, and it's not as tight on your leg or ankle. Wow, super exciting. Coyote brown ripstop tactical pants, OD green base layer crew neck t-shirts, 3, and boot blousers. Yeah, it feels like Christmas on Bushcraft Ridge. Alright guys, I'll put links in the description below. Check this stuff out and let me know what you think.